Today I'm going to be removing the cap off of this Primo. Basically put the new one on. Smokeware hardware right there. So look forward to showing you how this looks. You ready? Let's go! So first things first is obviously want to adjust that and get that off of there. This is the old one. I mean, it works. It's just I wanted something better. Wanted to dress it up. Next, obviously we're gonna have to take off this Velcro. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically use this sharp knife here, and then from there I'll start to pull this back, and then we'll get this off of here. Definitely gotta work yourself in there with that. You gotta be careful too, especially with a knife like this. I'll use this scraper just to get down in there. This thing's obviously been on here for a long time, and it's not wanting to go just easily. Now I'm gonna make a cut in this, and as I make a cut, so next I'll scrape. Scrape that off there as I'm coming around, and this bad boy is not one to come off very easy, I tell you that. Alright, now I'm gonna have to get some cleaning on here and get that scraped off.
Log cabin.
Alright, I'm gonna use a little bit of this professional goof off to kind of help get some of this off of here. It's the only thing I can think of that I think will work, especially on this porcelain without tearing it up. So I'm just gonna put this around there, let that soak in, and then we'll come back, and of course we'll get as much of that scraped off as we need to. But hopefully this will help remove the residual stuff off of there. So
I was gonna get to that.
Oh yeah, it's already working. Didn't take long. I love that goof off stuff. Just be careful where you use it. Use it in well ventilated areas. Obviously I'm outside, so I ain't gotta worry about it. But look at that. Just peels right off. I love it. So yeah, that goof off stuff really works. I still want to clean this a little bit more. Even with that being peeled off, I still want to make sure I get all the way around there. Get all this off of there. I have to put a new one on. Get a new cap. And they make those caps, the Smokeware, for a variety of Kamados. Obviously the Kamado Joe, the Big Green Egg, the Primo. So I don't think they make it for my blaze though. My blaze doesn't really need one. This definitely needed to be replaced. It's old and worn, honestly. Wanted to get her a new cap. So been wanting to do that for a while. I'm gonna get the rest of this off here. We'll get the new one on. Alright, now that we've gotten that all cleaned off, it's time for the seating of the Velcro. That's not really Velcro, just the gasket. So we'll go ahead and start peeling this back a little bit. And this is the way I like to do it. I think it makes more sense, as you can see. Just basically going gently with it because you want this to stick. This is a permanent fixture, or will be a permanent fixture. Want it to be nice, so I'm pulling tight as I'm going around this, and gently just keep pulling and pulling, keeping it as even as I possibly can. There will be some overlap on this, and that's okay. As you can see, I'm pulling this and pulling this, just keeping it tight and straight. I want to make it as tight and straight as I can, all the way across. Nice. Yeah. Now comes the easy part. Just gonna put a cap on top of that. Boom. And then the center cap on top of that. Now you can see one thing I really wanted to get, besides, you know, I could have left the old cap on there, granted, but as you can see, this is kind of got like a rain cap, so I don't have to worry about if it starts raining out here, and it does, especially here in Kentucky. I can just close this. I can just basically, you know, leave that wide open, and it's not going to affect anything, and the water's not going to get down in here. So yeah, that's another reason why I got it. Besides, the other one just looked old and rusted. This one looks a lot prettier, don't you think? So that's installing a smokeware cap on a Primo. Hope you like this.